Okay. Well, here we go. Let's see what the rage is all about. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Boots. Press E to interact with objects. Oh, or kick over trash cans. Hold shift to sprint. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Okay. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Here. Soda. Machines are empty. No vending machine snacks here. Creativity ahead. E to interact. Oh. Ooh. Ew. Ooh, a thing. I got a thing. This remote requires 2 batteries. Okay. Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Monster me, Claire. Oh. Cool. Okay. Can I go back the way I came? Anything here? No. Okay, what about here? What would you? Can I do anything here? What about here? No. Oh. Fan. Oh, battery. Right? Okay. Okay. Oh man, I'm super just looking right past those then. Oh, there's the other one. Aha. Nice. Oh! Hello. Ah. Where are you going, my man? Left mouse button to use your toy. Press right mouse button to teleport a toy to the nearest room. Oh. Can be accessed at any time in the pause menu. Cool. Well, you look angry. Aha. Okay, I can't leave. How about over here? This is fine, right? Nice. Okay. Oh, hey. Hi, buddy. Oh, bye, buddy. It says the end is here. Okay. Oh! Okay. Perfectly normal. And now I can see the glass that's in here. The toy cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials such as yellow glass. Okay. Banban says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. No, thank you. Naughty corner. The end is here. There's a button in here to click. Bet you we have to click that button. Oh, hey. Okay, here and there. This feels great. Ball pit closed. Apilla bird mission. Apilla bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Okay. That looks like an egg. Yeah. Ooh. Can I go down the slide? No, I cannot. Okay. Alright. Well, alright. It's fine. Do we have to feed one at a time? Here you go. Here's egg 1. Did not like that sound. That was unpleasant. There you are. Hello, friend. Can you get this for me? I don't know where you are. Oh, there you are. Thank you. Can I just... Hello. Oh, let me see about these other cards. Okay, what about this one? Alright, cool. I don't have those cards. What about this one? Okay. Thought I'd still ask about it. Beep boop. You can get that, right? You're gonna just crash into it. Oh! Beep beep boop. Up. Crunch. Oh, okay. That's not really what I meant, but that's fine. Ah! Hello? Can you not hit that? You're like right in front of it. Okay, well. Okay. What am I supposed to do then? Go through the glass? Let's look for those eggs then. Oh, there's an egg. Ah, man, they really are one at a time. Okay. So that's egg 2. Oh, hey, egg 3. We need what? 6? Ooh, egg 4. Egg... Five's gotta be like around here, right? Yeah! Good! Oh, hey, wait. I can get more than one. Doot. Was that not all of them? Ah! At the mouth. That's terrifying. Thank you. A yellow key card. Okay. Which one was you're yellow? I'm yellow too! Ah! Hello there. Can you now hit this button? There you go. You got this. Nice. Ooh, a hammer and a note. Distraction at 1? Okay. Distraction at 1. This is where we would use a hammer, right? Yeah. Can I... Okay, I can. This looks great. Press space to jump. Cool. Oh, that's emergency stop. Okay. what was my color? Is that what it says over there? I don't trust this. Laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Emergency stop and reset. I don't think I have what I need for this. Oh, wait, maybe I do. Oh. Hello there. Could I stand on the sofa here? I don't have like any of... Ooh. I don't like whatever that was. That wasn't great. What is this? Ooh, I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. I alone. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me, but go. I'm scared because hole is loud. My friends scream in it, but bird is funny. Okay. No. Okay, you were pink. No, you're orange. So you are white. You're pink. Ooh. You're orange, you're purple. And you're green? What color are you? I think you were green. Did it. Ooh, don't like that. Thank you for the card. Can I do anything about that? Oh. Hey, I'm stuck. I can't do anything right now. Um. No, don't do that. Don't do this. Okay, that's fine. R. Okay. Press E to be reincarnated. Cool. Yes, please. Ah! Woo! I missed, I died, I missed. Where do I go? Oh, it becomes a whole thing. I have to wrap around. Got it. Wrap around. We gotta do wrap around. How does it wrap around? How does that? Okay. No. We made it and we died. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. That was nicely timed. Okay. All right. No. I missed that. It's fine. Oh. Okay. Cool. Cool. We did that. Oh, it was you. Okay. Awesome. That guy's green. Can we hit this? Okay, where are you? You over there? That button for me? It looks like it might have already been hit. Did I already hit it? I don't remember. Yes. Okay. Did I get anything from that? Oh yeah, this one. Duh. It's like I got the... Hi, bud. Ooh, hey. Oops, wrong button. Sorry. Still learning. Cool. Oh, now that one's open. Oh, hey. Oh, a boarding pass. Present at check-in. Oh, oh. Oh. You coming with? Okay, I guess I'm going down. Ooh, I don't like this. Ooh, I don't like this. Oh. Okay. Hello? Ah! Ah! Whoa! Hi, buddy! What are you? What just happened? Oh. Okay. Well, there's Garten of Banban. That was terrifying. Thank you so much for watching me struggle specifically with running in a circle, apparently. Thanks for hanging out here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!